Oh, my insides are... I think I'm gonna explode!
Wait a second. I know what this is. Calm down, guys. He's exploding. Relax, Mercury. You're just going through tectonic activity.
Tecton? What now?
It just means that your core is active and your surface is shifting and...
So, am I really okay?
No! Moons should know their place. If the Earthlings can survive living through all those earthquakes and floods, can't be that bad, right?
Meanwhile...
Wow, that's a relief.
Although, side effects may include a contracting crust, so you may become even smaller. Maybe you'll be Pluto 2.0.
Ha 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 ha. That's funny, Earth. Earth?